Hello and welcome. My name is Ingo Matlachowski. Today I would like to introduce you to the UT9000. With a set of the UT9000 you can locate pipes and cables easily and precisely. The set of the UT9000 consists first of all the receiver itself. The receiver is battery operated. The batteries can be changed easily without tools via the battery compartment. Accessories can be adapted via a connection socket. The receiver convinces with a clear display and a simple operating concept. The UT9000 can be programmed with an additional software up to 100 frequencies. An automatic frequency scan helps you to detect interfering fields and select a suitable frequency. Thanks to the precise location and the depth measurement, even in inaccessible areas, the UT9000 is up to any location task. The second main component is a powerful 12-watt generator. It can be used to energize metallic lines directly or inductively. The generator can be carried comfortably by using the carrying strap. The UT9012 is also battery operated. The battery compartment is on the bottom and can also be opened without tools. The generator can be direct connected to the line using the cable set. An earthing spike is also included in the set. All components can be stored in the robust carrying bag. In addition to the components included in the set, further accessories are available. With the UT9000 cable set twin, the generator can be connected to two lines at the same time. You can then remotely control the generator with the UT9000 and decide which of the two lines should be energized. This can help you to distinguish between two parallel lines during the location process. With the UT9000 5-inch cable clamp, you can energize cables up to a diameter of 5-inch inductively. Cable clamps are especially helpful when locating live cables. With the UT9000 receiving clamp and also the UT9000 receiving antenna, individual cables can be selected from a bundle. The UT9000 step voltage probe allows the location of isolation faults in underground cables or cathodic protected pipelines. The UT9000 marker ball antenna is used to locate markers. With the help of a glass fiber rod, non-metallic pipes can be located. For this purpose, the rod is inserted into the pipe. Thanks to the internal copper wire, the glass fiber rod can be energized by the generator and located by the receiver. To determine the endpoint of the glass fiber rod, different locating sound can be used. With the UT9000 set and the extensive range of accessories, pipes and cables can be reliably located. The UT9000, easy, always efficient.